Welcome to KHB Learn English, your English learning podcast. Hi, everyone. I'm Angelina, and I'm so excited to have you here. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to improve your skills, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell on KHB Learn English so you never miss an episode. Let's make learning English fun and easy. Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome back. Today, we're going to do something a little different. Are you ready? Let's practice listening together. Today's topic is a day in my life. This episode will help you learn daily routine vocabulary, practice listening comprehension. Enjoy. Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m. Not too early, not too late, just perfect for me. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm and stretch my arms. Then I say to myself, it's a new day. Can you repeat after me? It's a new day. Great job. Sometimes I feel sleepy, but I try to start my day with a smile. After that, I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. I love using cold water in the morning. It helps me wake up. Then I take a quick shower, just 10 minutes. Do you take a shower in the morning or at night? Nice. Everyone has their own routine. After my shower, it's time for breakfast. I usually eat toast with butter and honey and make a cup of coffee. The smell of coffee makes me feel awake and happy. Sometimes I eat eggs or yogurt with fruit. What about you? What do you like for breakfast? Breakfast is important because it gives us energy for the day. After breakfast, I sit at my desk and check my schedule. I work from home, so I turn on my computer and check my emails first. Then I make a to-do list. I write things like record podcast, answer messages, prepare lesson. Do you write to-do lists too? That's awesome. To-do lists help us stay organized. From 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., I work on my podcast and YouTube videos. I write scripts, record my voice, and sometimes edit videos. It takes time, but I love it. At 12:30 p.m., I make lunch. Today I cooked rice with vegetables and some chicken. I also had a small salad on the side. After lunch, I take a short break. I sit on the balcony, drink some tea, and breathe fresh air. Do you take breaks during the day? Taking breaks is important for our health. In the afternoon, I continue working or sometimes read a book. I love reading books in English to learn new words. Right now, I'm reading a book about traveling around the world. It's so exciting. Do you like reading? What kind of books do you like? Cool. Reading is great for learning. At 5 o'clock p.m., I go for a short walk outside. There's a small park near my home. I walk, listen to music, and enjoy the sunset. The sky turns orange and pink, so beautiful. At 7 o'clock p.m., I prepare dinner. I try to eat healthy food like soup, vegetables, or grilled pie. After dinner, I wash the dishes, clean the kitchen, and then relax. At 8:30 p.m., I sit on the couch and watch a series on Netflix. Right now, I'm watching a comedy show. It makes me laugh a lot. What do you like to watch in the evening? Finally, at 10 o'clock p.m., I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and read a few pages of my book. Then, I turn off the light, close my eyes, and say, "Thank you for today." Quick recap. Words we learned today. Let's review some words from today's episode. Wake up, take a shower, eat breakfast, work from home, take a break, go for a walk, watch a show, go to bed. Now, can you try talking about your own daily routine? Write about it. Speak out loud or record yourself. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. The most important thing is to practice. The more you listen, the more you understand. So, come back and listen to this episode again later. and join KHB Learn English for more English practice. Join KHB Learn for more English practice. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed this episode and learned something new. If you liked it, don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe to KHB Learn. Every week, we practice listening and speaking together. You're doing a great job. Keep going. I'm so proud of you. Until next time, my friends, take care, stay kind, and keep learning English. Bye-bye.